fam, what's up? It's your girl Renee Barnett, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to share how I make my super moisturizing foot care butter using unrefined raw shea butter and mango butter. It's a non-greasy, extra moisturizing, luxurious foot butter that's easy to make. For this foot butter, you will need shea butter, mango butter, coconut oil, emulsifying wax, glycerin, distilled water, a preservative of your choice, and mixing tools. I will also be adding fragrance oil and arrowroot powder, which are both optional ingredients. So first, I'm going to place hot water that I boiled in two separate bowls, one to melt my butter and the other one to warm up my distilled water and glycerin. I want to make sure that all of my ingredients are as close in temperature as possible. So next, I'm going to mix all of my solids together. This includes my coconut oil, my shea butter, mango butter, and my emulsifying wax. Now my water has had some time to cool down, so it's not boiling hot anymore and won't disturb the integrity of my natural butters. So now I'm just placing my solids in the container of hot water to let it all mix and melt down together to become one. And I'm going to take my liquids, which includes my distilled water and my glycerin, and place it in hot water to warm it up to around the same temperature as my butters. So as you can see, my solids are starting to melt down. So this step takes about 30 to 35 minutes. I like for my butters to melt down naturally, giving it a gentle stir every now and then. And like I said earlier, this just helps to preserve the integrity of the butters. You don't want to melt your butter at an extremely hot temperature, as this will destroy all of your essential vitamins. And just an FYI, the ingredients that I'm using can be found in the description box below, as well as the measurements for this particular recipe. So next, I'm going to combine all of my ingredients together in one bowl and blend them together with my mixer. So now it's time to place my mix in the freezer for about 15 minutes. Now guys, you can leave this in longer if you want, but the ultimate goal is just to get the top layer of the butter stiff, not particularly frozen, again, just stiff. And now I'm just going to start mixing. So I want to make sure that my final butter is fluffy but still thick. So I'm going to place it back in the freezer for another 10 minutes. Now I'm just blending again until I get the texture that I want. So now I've decided just to add a little bit of jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is very similar to the sebum that your skin produces, and that makes it a great skin conditioner. It also penetrates into the skin quickly, and it soothes and softens the skin. Now I'm just adding a little bit of arrowroot powder so that my foot butter doesn't end up being too greasy. Now it's time to add your favorite fragrance. For me, I've decided to add lavender and lemongrass oil. So guys, both of these fragrances smell so good together. It's like having a mini spa at home for your feet. And guys, by the way, I also added in my preservative and mixed it in off camera. So preservatives can sometimes be trial and error, so it's best to find one that works for you. And now I'm going to add my foot butter to my jar. I'm going to be using a spatula to pack in my butter, but you can use the piping bag method if you prefer. Like I mentioned earlier, guys, the recipe as well as all of the products can be found in the description box below. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Also, go ahead and leave me a comment in the comment section below to let me know what you thought. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.